Welcome. In this video, we will be covering a number of keypad shortcuts to improve workflow productivity on the LEJ-640FT. Simplify the loading of material by moving the gantry to one of the various park positions. Select Shift plus either 2, 5, or 8. The gantry will now move to the middle of the table. Easily move the gantry to the top or bottom position by selecting Shift, Head Up, or Head Down. With the jog speed set to slow or medium, jog the gantry while pressing jog speed to jump to the fastest speed. If the vacuum is not needed for a given print, it can be turned off while the machine is printing simply by selecting Vacuum On/Off. Create a backup of the calibration parameters by selecting Shift, Setup, and selecting Backup Calib Params. Press Enter to confirm.